Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn world map. So this world map, especially it comes in a paper 2 for 10th class. So in this we are going to cover 10 countries. So if you observe here, first three countries, China, Vietnam, Nigeria, these three countries comes from 13th lesson, national moments lesson. So these three countries have different moments in their own countries. And if you come to the Libya, Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran, Palestine, Israel, so these countries, it has issue in a Middle East countries conflicts. So in Middle East countries between due to the Cold War, these countries were suffered. So we can expect, and especially Palestine and Israel, it has a Middle East conflict issue. So these also we can expect, and West Asian conflicts also topic is there. So from that also it can be covered. And if you observe Cuba, Cuba is also main countries which has followed the communist policy, which has inspired all the Latin American countries. So these 10 countries we are going to cover in this map pointing. So firstly, we'll start with the political map, world political map. So first map pointing is China. So it's very easy to find China. So China is here above the India, which looks like a duck. So which looks like a duck and looking at the looking towards east side. So this country is called China. So by seeing the stomach, so in the outline map you can't get this all picture, but you have to find only the stomach of the duck. So that stomach of the duck is nothing but China. And second country is Vietnam. So Vietnam, if you observe in India, in India, just you come down south part of India. So from the south part of India straight towards, the eastern side, if you observe the corner country, which is looking very small, like a banana. So this country is called Vietnam. So Vietnam, it's a major country which have fought with the America, US. So you must know that, you can expect in an exam. So this Vietnam country. And third one is Nigeria. So Nigeria, it has a it is similar to India. Why? Because it is also have the same moments like India. So you will get in world map. So where is Nigeria? Nigeria, if you look at the Africa, it's a part of Africa. It's in you will find it in Africa. So in Africa, if you observe, so it's just to understand, I'm telling you, just think it's a armpit of Africa is Nigeria. So it is located totally down. So just imagine it's a hand of Africa and it is armpit. So this armpit is Nigeria. To catch easily, I'm telling you as a armpit. So it's not actually in armpit. So and next fourth one is Libya. So Libya, it's upper part of Africa. So Libya is a upper part of Africa. So this in this world political map, they did not mention here Mediterranean Sea. So this total area is Mediterranean Sea, and below the Mediterranean Sea Africa is located. So first country from the Mediterranean Sea, so which is looking like this shape. So this country is called Libya. This country is Libya, which is first part of, means upper part of Africa. And next we are going to find Cuba. So Cuba is a part of North America. So this continent is North America. So in North America we have three countries, major countries: Canada, US and Mexico. So the down one is Mexico, and the down opposite of Mexico, which is looking like an island. So this island is Cuba. This island is Cuba. Cuba, it's very famous. Why? Because the Fidel Castro, who was the leader of Cuba, he has inspired many of the Latin American countries to lead towards the communist ideology. So we can expect Cuba also in exam. And Afghanistan. So Afghanistan is a, so you can, if you want to find Afghanistan, you should come to the India again. So from the India west side, so west side if you go, the third country is a west in the sense a northwest side. Northwest side, third country. This is India, this is Pakistan, this is Afghanistan. Third country is Afghanistan. And next one is Iraq. So instead of Iraq, first we will go with the Iran. Why? Because beside of Afghanistan, the biggest country, biggest part, this part is Iran. So these all west of India, or West Asian countries also we can call, or Middle East countries also we can call. And first one is India and Pakistan, here Afghanistan. After Afghanistan, Iran is located. And beside of Iran, this corner part is Iraq. So here is Iraq. This is Iraq. And ninth one is Palestine. So Palestine and 10th one is Israel. These both are at one place, and we must know where it is located. Exactly in a world map you never find it. Why? Because it's a small country. So to find to easily, you must know the joint place of Africa and Asia. We must know the joint place of Africa and Asia. So this part is the joint place here. So clearly it's visible in outline map. Due to the what is that white color here, we cannot observe here. So in a outline map I'll show you clearly. So at the joint place only here, this line which is there. So this, in this line only you have to mention two countries. One is Palestine, and the next one is Jerusalem. Sorry, Israel. So here Jerusalem is a part of so it's a location in Israel. Actually it's a holy place of all the religion, Christian, Muslim and Hindus, Christian, Muslim and Jewish people. So Palestine and Israel. So Israel is divided from Palestine. So that is the reason if you mention at same place, so you will get the mark. And now these all 10 countries we will practice in outline map. So in an outline map, if you see here, this is outline map. This is outline map. Now we are going to find again in this. Firstly, we will start with China. So China, I told you above the India. So above the India, this part. If you can't find in outline, you have to look at the stomach. This stomach is a part of China. This stomach is part of China. So by seeing this, you have to understand that this is China. And next one is Vietnam. Vietnam, as I told you, if you come to the southern part of India, so east side, exactly the corner country which is there here. So this corner country is Vietnam. So this is the Vietnam. And third one is Nigeria. And the last time already I mentioned you to catch easily. I told that it's an armpit of Africa. Armpit is this one. Armpit is here. So this is Nigeria. And next one is Libya. So Libya we can find easily here. Why? Because see here, this green color is a Mediterranean Sea. It's a dividing Europe and Africa. Mediterranean Sea is dividing Europe and Africa. So this curve which is located here, this curve part is Libya. And one more map I mentioned, Egypt also. Egypt is the beside of Libya is, this is Egypt. So mostly we'll confuse Libya and Egypt. First Libya is there and Egypt. Egypt exact location is joint place of Africa and Asia. First country here. And coming to next, fifth one is Cuba. Cuba is a part of North America. So now in North America, in front of Mexico, this Mexico. So in front of Mexico, one island is there. So this island country is Cuba. And sixth one is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is from India, third country. First is India, second is here Pakistan little bit, and beside of that Afghanistan. You have to mention beside of Pakistan. And next one is Iraq. Iraq and Iran, we have. So firstly we will mention Iran here. After Afghanistan, the one country name is Iran. So India, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Iran. And next one is Iraq. You have to mention here this corner. This corner, if you observe this curve part is nothing but Iraq. Exactly, you have to point out here. So it will become as a Iraq. This country is Iraq country. And last one is last two, Palestine and Israel. So Palestine and Israel, it's very easy, and you have to point out at one same place. So the joint place of Africa and Asia. So this is the joining place here. So exactly joining place, whatever the line is here. So at this place only you have to mention. Below the Turkey you have to mention Palestine and Israel. Why? Because so you have to mention here Palestine and Israel. Why? Because Israel is divided from Palestine. So it's same place you mention. So then you will get the marks. So this is about world map. So which you get in a paper 2. All of you practice well, and you after seeing this you take one empty map and point out all the map pointings.